Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Buckeye brownies. It's a dessert layer with brownie, peanut butter layer, and ganache. So amazing, so let's just get into the video. Let's get started with our batter. So first, we are going to melt our butter, adding in our white sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla. Now I'm going to give this a good whisk. Now I'm going to be adding in 3 eggs. We're going to be doing a double one-handed egg crack. Boom. Mix this up. Now we're going to add in our flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Fold everything together till we have our batter. I'm just going to throw in some chocolate chips. Add some parchment paper, and we're going to pour in our batter. My offset spatula and smooth it out. Now let's go bake in the oven. While the brownies are cooling, we're going to make the peanut butter layer. To my medium bowl, I'm going to add my softened butter and some peanut butter. I'm going to give these ingredients a whisk. Looks pretty good. Now I'm going to add in just a splash of vanilla, powdered sugar, and heavy cream. I'm going to whisk everything together. It should look like this. Alright, so now I transfer it to a piping bag, and I'm going to just pipe it on top. I'm going to smooth this all out. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge while we make the top layer. To my hot cream, I'm going to add in some chocolate. I'm going to pour this on top, smooth it out. Pop this in the fridge for like another hour. Right, here's how they look. They look amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Recipe in the description, and we'll see you next time.